I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Ho, ho, ho.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, set me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kendi Beauty. So we're going to be doing another palette of Christmas past today. You guys will probably also see this in one of like my makeup hoarding videos of everything that I like haven't shown you guys that I got in the last year or two or three. Yeah, needless to say, we may be going on low buy this year. We may be, but here she is. I got this last year, I think as a gift for Christmas, and I wanted it so bad because at the time, oh, the Sultry palette, like you couldn't get. Now you can find it at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. But I just thought, like, isn't this so pretty? I also loved like this case, and I probably will put it on display. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize I had all this stuff too, just sitting going bad. So anyway, we're gonna play with the Sultry palette today. It's been years. It's been years since I've dabbled into this palette. I'm super excited. I think that this is one of ABH's better palettes in my opinion. This, the Subculture, like all of those classics that came out way back in the day. And I love the packaging too. So anyway, I'm just gonna we're just gonna throw on some makeup, have some fun. You guys, these are not like detailed reviews. I mean, I will let you know how I feel about the palettes and everything, but I'm not gonna be doing like the whole like up close and everything just because this is for fun. This is Vlogmas, we're having fun. These are older palettes, you know. I believe you can, I don't know if you can still get this. If you can, I will link it down below. I think you can. I want to say you can. You can definitely find them at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I have not opened mine. I had one a long time ago that I used the crap out of it, and then I think I gave it to a friend or something. But anyway, I just thought that this was a really cute, fun idea for Vlogmas and everything. So hopefully you guys enjoy these older palette videos because I love makeup. New, old, the bad, the ugly. Well, I don't love the ugly, but if you guys are wondering what is on my face today, check out my Natasha Denona Lila palette video. Oh, you guys, check out that video. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. Alright, anyways, without further ado, if you're new here, thanks so much for watching and hanging out with us. We have lots of giveaways coming up, and it's a lot of fun this time of year, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel, publicly subscribed, tap the bell so you can be notified of all the new upcoming videos, and we do a lot of new makeup releases, reviews, and just lots of fun talking about makeup here at Kendi Beauty. So make sure you are subscribed because I would love for you guys to join the fam. Alright, so let's get into this palette. Okay, so we have the first 4 shades in the palette. I forgot how creamy goodness this palette is. And I am trying to figure out, like, Matrini, you guys have been saying, like, how good the lighting is. I wish I knew what was going on. I wish I could figure out why my lighting is so good. But I just don't, I don't know. Okay, and here are the next 4 shades. Okay, and then here is the final 6 shades. Love, love, love this. Sort of, this is such like a beautiful palette. Like even just swatching them now, I bought this like over a year ago, or was I gifted it? I can't remember if I bought it or if I was gifted it, but it's so beautiful and so creamy and just so goodness. Like seriously, such a beautiful palette. It kind of gives me like Natasha Denona mini retro glam palette vibes a little bit, but the formula is nothing like Natasha Denona. But I love doing these older palette videos because it reminds me like how good like the ABH formula really is. Like when they nail their formula, they really nail it. And these shades are just so buttery and smooth. I cannot wait to get this on my eyes today. Okay, so I tried to sort of just take my eye stuff off without taking everything else off, which was kind of really hard. So I'm going to go in with my P. Louise base. I remember not being a fan of the ABH base. I think a lot of people like it. I don't know. I have not found a base that is good as the P. Louise. I've been wanting to try a couple of other ones, like including the Mama Mitchell one. There's been like a couple of them that I've been wanting to try. I'm wanting to try the Natasha Denona as well. And I just haven't gotten around to it. The Sigma one, there's been a bunch of them I've been wanting to try. I have the NARS one. I'm still testing that out. I think I've used it once or twice, so we'll see. But I think what I'm going to do is give away like the base and the mascara, all those other goodies that came with this. Just because I don't think I'll end up using them. Although I might want to try them out. I don't know. I'm undecided. But anyways, yeah, I'm just going to put some base on and then we'll get right into the look. I'm probably going to use my Milk Cosmetics Amor Mariposa, the eye brushes. I like the eye brushes from that collection. I really wish Sephora would have sold the brushes on their site. They're selling the blush palette and the eye palette, but I don't believe the brushes are on there, and I really love those brushes. It's such a beautiful set right here. And then the Juvias Place brushes I'm in love with lately as well. I mean, and let's not forget good old Refer, because they did amazing Black Friday. I was very impressed with their sale this year. Very impressed. So I hope you guys, I do have a Refer link that's linked below in the description box, but I hope you guys do take advantage of their sales because they're really good functional brushes, and when they're on sale, like that's the time to grab them. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Bloom first, and like I said, I'm just using that Melt Cosmetics brush from the Amor Mariposa collection. I hope I'm saying that the right way. And I actually really love that collection. I have a video on the collection. I really do like that collection. I feel like it didn't get as much hype as it deserved. But I do know it was kind of like on the pricier end, but I think that's because some of the products are made in Italy and they really stepped up the quality. Like, I was very impressed with the collection. Were all things like you have to go out and buy them? No, not all items, but when is every item, you know, I'll go out and buy it. Usually in the collection there's like the key things, and then, you know, if you could get a discount on the rest, great. But oh, I love this. This is so beautiful. So pretty. I love this shade. You guys, some classics just never die. Seriously. And I know I've said this before, but you guys need to let me know what brands you want to see more of, because it really helps me out decide what to get. Because I'm already broke as a joke, and I'm just going to be even more broke as a joke after the new year. So let me know what you guys want to see, because it'll really help. Okay. Now I just don't know like what shade I want to use. I think I'm going to bring this though in more, a little bit more in right here. What shade should we do? I think I'm going to go in with Cyborg, this silver shade, because it's just so stunning. Ooh, yes, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this. All right, I'm just going back in now with a brush, just like in the inner corner. Although I do want to use my finger because I feel like the payoff is so amazing with my finger, but I've got fat little stubby fingers. Little stubby fingers. I've always had stubby fingers. I'm very short, you guys. So, isn't this just so pretty though? Oh my gosh, I can't get enough of this look. Like so simple and elegant and just pretty. I was gonna do more, but I honestly don't think I should. Like, I really like the way that looks all on its own. I was thinking about going in the outer corner with a black. I don't think I'm going to. I think I just like this just like it is. And then really quick, I'm just going to go underneath the eye with that same like corally bloom color. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna throw on some mascara, lashes, clean everything up, and then we'll be back for our final thoughts on this palette. Alright, you guys, so this is it. This is our final look. I just threw on my YSL Rouge Velour Shine On Lipstick Balm in Nude Veneer. I have my Danessa Myricks Vision Cover foundation on. I also have the Melt Amor Mariposa Marnarca blush palette on. I have the Sultry palette, and I'm trying to think, I don't have highlight on today. And I just used the Danessa as a foundation and concealer, really liking it for that. And then I also have, what else do I have? My Givenchy Prisma Libra powder and my Huda Beauty Glowish bronzer. And that's it. That's all I have on my face today. And like, oh my gosh. You guys, this is so pretty. So pretty. So pretty. So pretty. Like, I'm just gonna keep saying it. So pretty. Like I said, I don't know if you can still get this on a BH site or Sephora or Ulta. I will double check and I will link it if you can, but this is such a pretty palette. Like, such a classic and a goodie and pretty and just like perfect every day, but you can sort of dress it up. Just really gorgeous palette. I'm so glad I got this last year and I'm just now getting around to using it this year. Story of my life, but that makes for lots of good makeup for you guys to come into the new year. All right, you guys, I hope you liked this sort of like older palette sort of video. If you guys do, definitely let me know down in the comments below so that I can continue to do these sorts of videos for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching and hanging out with me today. As always, we're doing the giveaway. Make sure you are publicly subscribed. You're entering the giveaway. If you have any questions, shout out to me, let me know, and I'll be happy to fill you in because I've got a lot of makeup I need to get rid of, you guys. I've got a lot of makeup I need to get rid of. So, it's all going to you. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.